What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. And finally, we made it. Yeah, finally, we are here on the road to end 2020. The deadliest, the shittiest, or whatever you want to call this, the most, I think it's the the year that I never want to face, and the year I will never forget in my entire lifetime. I never had such a bad year like 2020 in my entire life till now, and I also know that I will never have a year like 2020 in my entire lifetime to come. And I am having this mask with me not because the year has been the year of mask. We all know the year has been the year of masks, the year of hand sanitizers, and the year of pain, suffering, and losses for mostly many people around the world. But today, in this video, I want to show something which many of you might be facing in the entire 2020, like how to use Face ID while wearing a mask like this when you go outside. So, Face ID is the technology introduced by Apple that scans your face to unlock your iPhone. All the iPhones from iPhone 10 and above, excluding the iPhone SE, the latest iPhone SE, they unlock using the Face ID, which scans your face. But unfortunately, this year, due to the masks, we all were unable to scan our faces. But luckily, I tried, tested, and found a way by which you can unlock your iPhones by wearing masks itself. So you don't have to compromise the security of your iPhone by typing the password of your iPhone in public places such as metros or buses, or going in the road, or going inside the stores. You don't want to unlock your phones using just your passcode, because that can really compromise the security of your iPhone. So stay tuned, and I'll also talk about the year, how the year went for me, and what are my expectations for 2021 after explaining you how to unlock your iPhones using Face ID even with your masks on. Alright, so first of all, in order to set up your Face ID by which you can unlock it using your mask, you have to take a mask, turn it into half, and for easier use, I'll recommend you to put a rubber band like this, because it will make really easier when you will scan your face using the half mask. Because I have to use the mask on my first half, right, like the right side, but in order to put it like this, you have to add a support. So that's why I am using a rubber band. You can also use hands, but the rubber band will work as well. So I'm putting the rubber band like this. So it's set now. Just go to the iPhone, go to the settings, Face ID, and set a Face ID. So initially it will ask you, it will give some errors, but okay, so the first scan is complete now. It will give you some errors like your face is obstructed or remove the object that's covering your face, but you ignore that and keep trying till the 2 steps are complete. And after the 2 steps are complete, you will get another option saying set up an alternate appearance, and you go to that, you put the mask on the other side just like I'm doing right now, and put on the rubber band, and click on set up an alternate experience. So just like that, the alternate appearance setup is complete, and let's see if this thing works or not. So I am with my mask on, and now I'll try to unlock my device, and boom, it works. So as you can also see, it's unlocked, it's locked. So I'll unlock, it gets unlocked. So it's working fine. It's really hard for the first time. Like, I did it right in the second try now also, but it's really worth it. Like you can see, it literally unlocks your device in an instant, just like you are not wearing a mask. So it's really perfect. It's really good, and I'll recommend you to do this. And without mask also, it's working really fine. As you can see, it's unlocking. Now I'll lock it, and boom. Okay, so this was the method by which you can unlock your iPhones using Face ID while still wearing your masks on without compromising the security or without tapping the passwords or your pin codes in open public. I know this thing is very helpful, and this thing really saved me in compromising my iPhones in so many places, because earlier when I used to like shop for groceries here in lockdown, I was like typing my password and pin code every time I have to pay, because I was using Apple Pay to pay. But luckily earlier I was having my Apple Watch also, so that was saving me the trouble of entering password in public. But apart from that, like somewhere if I was going, I have to click a photo, because I was clicking photos and recording videos all the time on the go. So suppose I want to record a video or click a photo, then I want to unlock my iPhone in the public. And to unlock the iPhone in the public, I had to use the passcode or the pin code, because I was wearing a mask actually. So I was compromising the security of my iPhone, and this technique really saved me a lot of my time and efforts as well, because now you can instantly unlock your iPhone. And because I am traveling now in the next year in 2021, this thing will be super useful for me in the airports, where I have to show my ticket, where I have to show my COVID-19 test results, or where I have to show some other documents at the check-in or at the arrival or at the departure at the airport. So yes, I am traveling in 2021, and I am leaving this space. This is the last video of the year, and also this is the last video, probably the last video, or maybe you can see the vlog which I will make while traveling in this place. And I am going back home. I am going to India for now to spend some time, to spend some quality time with my family, because 2020 took a lot of toll on me, physically, mentally, and emotionally as well, because the year has been a roller coaster ride for me and for almost all of the people around the world. I know the year has been tough. We faced a lot. Our healthcare workers, our social service workers faced a lot of difficulties. They worked really hard from day to night to protect us, to save us, and we lost so many precious lives in this year due to the COVID-19. And I really hope that this thing ends in 2021, and the coming year might be good, full of positivity and full of hope for all of us, because we all know that the vaccines have arrived. So let's pray that the next year will be good, will be awesome for all of us, and will bring the results we always strive to have. And for the channel, I set some goals last year. Like during the starting of 2020, I set a goal of uploading around 90 to 100 videos, which was not fulfilled and which was lagged by a big margin. I know, because of all the difficulties, because of the stuff I had to face in the middle of the year due to COVID-19, I had explained to you that. But for the next year, I don't have any goal for the subscribers or for the videos I upload, because literally, like, setting up a goal for you for uploading videos will demotivate you if you don't fulfill that due to any reason, due to personal reason or due to emotional reason or due to any of the reason. If you set a goal, like you have to reach a particular number of subscribers, or you have to upload a particular number of video on the next year, and you don't do that due to any reason, you feel disappointed and you will feel discouraged. So I don't want to feel that, and I just want myself to create content, to create good quality content, and I want to improve myself, improve my lighting, improve my audio quality, and improve the content which I make, and improve the presentation, how I make the content. So that will be the things that I will work in the upcoming year 2021, and working on my gear, upgrading of my setup, the lighting setup, the sound setup will be the priority for me in 2021, because the upcoming year is very crucial for me and my channel, because I have the platform now, I have the number of subscribers, and I have the people, I have the base from which I can go further, a lot further in the next year, in the span of 2021. So the next year is going to be really important for me and my channel, and I just have to say that. And I don't have any particular expectations for the subscribers and the video count for the next year, but I'll try my best to upload more and more videos possible. And for the CES, I know it's on the first week of January, I will be traveling during that time, so it's it will be somewhat impossible for me to cover during the flight because of the hard restrictions in the flights. But when I reach home, I'll try to upload all the highlights, what happened, what were the things that were launched in CES. So I'll try to maintain the coordination of the videos and of my life as well. So that's it for me, that's it for the video. This is the last video of 2020, and I hope you will enjoy this. You might have learned this. I kept this video for the last because I want to end the year with a video that will enable you to learn something, because that's what I do as a tech YouTuber. I enable you to learn something, to get knowledge of something related to technology through my channel, and this is what I did as my last video of 2020. So do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated with me if you like my work and would like to support me and my channel. And I hope you like my video and will continue to support me in the future videos as well, and I will continue to bring all new content of technology for you in the future as well. So goodbye guys, enjoy your holidays, stay safe, enjoy safely, and happy holidays and a very happy new year to all of you. Goodbye guys, and I will see you all in the next one in the next year.